Oh my god, it's been a while, hasn't it? It's been a long time between videos, and anyone that watches my channel, it's probably been about 2 months, so just haven't felt really creative, which kind of sucks. My hands are a bit dirty, been working on the bikes, but today it's a bit of a time for a change. So what that means is that the old Clement Strata LPGs, they're going to be coming off the bike. They're more of a summer tyre. I've talked about these before when I rode on them during wet. I came off the bike, so they're not very good of a wet weather tyre. So today I'm going to be swapping over to the P0's Pirelli 4S's. So hopefully these are going to be a much better tyre for me. I'm going to take the wheels off and get the tyres changed over. Alright, now that both wheels are off, time to let the pressure out and get these tyres. For anyone that hasn't changed a tyre before, it's quite simple. You just need a couple of tyre levers. I find the easiest way is to get one tyre lever underneath, and then probably a few inches further down, get the tyre lever, push both over. You've got like this nice crease over here. You can take your tyre levers out, and then it's just a matter of working the tyre over the bead around the wheel. Some tyres are a little bit harder than others, but most of the time it's not too bad. So if you do get a puncture on the side of the road, usually you can get it changed over within five minutes, or depending on your skill level, maybe 10 or 15. Also depends how hard the tyre is to get on. Alright, now I've got the new tyre on, it's all pumped up. Usually, it's everyone's own preference, but usually I'll run around 90 psi on my tyres, give or take. I have run the Pirellis on my bike before. They're a different Pirelli. These are more of an all-rounder from what I got told, so these should be good for winter and hopefully some summer days as well. My last Pirellis were really good, didn't get any punctures in them. They do run down fairly fast, I found, but they're a great tyre. They're fast, they're smooth. So I'll get them chucked on the bike and see how they feel. Alright, I have got both wheels done now. I'm not going to actually record myself putting the back wheel on the bike because I absolutely suck at it. It's probably one of my worst flaws about being a little bit of a crappy bike mechanic. Let me get this on. I'm back. The back wheel is on successfully. I'm just going to tighten up all the wheels and then we'll take it for a little spin around the block and see how they feel. Just a handy little tip, when you do take off your wheels and for whatever reason, if you change your tyre or a tube or anything like that, make sure you put your brakes back in. Last thing you want to do is be going down a hill and your brakes don't work. nice. Seriously windy out here at the moment, but yeah, we'll take it for a proper ride soon, but they roll fast, they feel good. Come back in the driveway. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this little video. Like I said, I've been not very creative lately, but it's good to get back and make another video. Till next time, peace out.